Hello and welcome to exceltraining.mobi. We learned last time that our workspace in Excel consists of cells. Since data is entered into cells, we should know how to format each of these cells. So when you click, for example, on cell A1, this becomes the active cell. So whatever you enter now will go into this cell. We can either format the cells before we start entering data or later on. That doesn't matter. Okay, so let's start by adjusting the height and the width of the cells. So we'll go here to cells in the ribbon in the home tab. We'll go to format and we'll select row height. Maybe you didn't see that I selected row height, but now you know that I did select that, and the row height is given as 15 here, 15 points. Now each point is 1 by 72 of an inch, and it can take a value between 0 and 409. Alright, so we'll keep this as 15, but you can change it to 30 if you like, double. Okay, and the cell A1 should become wider. Can you see that? Let me show it to you. There it is. Alright, see that? Now we can also adjust the cell or the column width, and the column width is 8.43 here, that is the default value, and each point represents here a character. So if you make this 10, you can fit in 10 characters inside the column. Let me make it a little bigger so that you can see 20. We'll say OK. So you can put 20 characters into this. It can take a value from 0 to 255. Alright, you can adjust the column width by clicking and dragging the line between the two column alphabets. For example, here, now click and drag and you can make this smaller. Similarly, you can also adjust the height by going between the row numbers. Let's say you go between 1 and 2 and click and drag, so you can make the height smaller or you can make the height bigger, like this. Alright, and as I said earlier, when you select the cells or cell, it gets these borders and it becomes active. So if you type something from the keyboard, let's say you type the number 1, it goes into the cell A1 here, as you see. If you now click on B and you enter 2, it will go to the cell B. If you now select many cells, let me just go up a little bit and select many cells, do you notice it appears as if this cell is not selected and these cells are selected, but from these borders you can make out that the cell is indeed selected. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.